Showcase Tula. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. We received a couple of items here from outdoor company Hisea. It's an Asian company that has sent me a couple of their sample products for me to show on YouTube so that they can get the name out into the American market. I'm gonna unbox this really quickly and we'll see what they sent. Okay, as you guys can see, they sent me a pair of work boots. These are steel-toed. You can drop whatever you want on here and it won't break your toes. Very nice looking, very good quality. The leather is very soft, almost like Timberlands, right? And a pair of tactical pants that also came along with a tactical belt. Got the ankle pull, so you can get your feet in there. Cushioned around the calves. It's a high ankle boot. Rubber sole from Hisea. Extra laces also in case you break these. I'm going to try on the pants as well as the shoes. Lifetime warranty. It fits great, and this tactical belt, some people call it an operator's belt, but it's a quick release like that. And then you can pull on the belt and it has a keeper over here, elastic, that keeps it nice and neat. Big belt loops for strength, lots of pockets for your magazines, knives, flashlights. And they go deep too, so you can put like a magazine in here. Lots of double stitching. Side cargo pockets with Velcro, as well as other deeper pockets here with expandable pockets. Same goes for the other side. As you can see, double stitched as well as reinforced panel for strength around this area where it pulls a lot. Two back pockets with Velcro as well. Excellent fit with an elastic waistband. So if you wanted to wear them perfectly fit without a belt, it would fit perfectly too. These are great, fantastic. I'm gonna try on the shoes. Okay, there we go. Shoes are on, very comfortable. I just put them on without socks, but yeah, this is steel-toed right over here. People always tell me that I should wear steel-toed boots in my garage, but in the summertime it's just too hot, you know what I mean? But now I have them, and they feel great with some good ankle support too. Very nice from Hisea. So, some great tactical pants, work pants. They're waterproof, water resistant, very strong and very comfortable with the tactical belt as well. Also, we have your Hisea boots, 6-inch upper, right? and made to your size, and very comfortable, waterproof, water resistant as well. Steel-toed work boots from Hisea. If you guys are interested in it, I'll leave a link in the description. Please check it out. They also have other great products that you may like. Thanks a lot for joining my weekend product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.